What's the warranty and after-sales service? Possible to have a 2 years or more warranty. How do we get a warranty and after-sales service, please? Warranty. After-sales service is provided through the machine whole lifetime. Except artificial damage, the spare parts are replaced for free within the warranty period of 1 year since the vending machine is delivered. We have international service engineers. If you are to order the vending machines, they can provide the essential support for you before, during, and after as well. To inquire for after-sales service, you can contact with our sales manager or you can contact with the service engineer directly. For initial order, I recommend you to contact with our sales managers. They will be glad to have a service for you. Extend the warranty period. Normally, we provide 1 year warranty after since the day we deliver it. However, if you need to extend the warranty period such as 2 years or more than 2 years, you can negotiate with our sales manager. Nothing is impossible.